In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic pages in Wix Studio. Getting started with Wix's dynamic pages is a fantastic way to streamline content creation on your website. These pages are designed to display information from a specific collection, allowing you to efficiently manage and present data-driven content without having to manually update each page individually. To begin, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. This is your jumping off point where you'll manage everything related to your website. Next, in your Wix dashboard, locate the option labeled Pages and Menu. This is your gateway to everything page-related in your site editor. Clicking here will bring up the Page Management section where you can add, delete, and organize your website pages. Once you're in the Pages and Menu section, you'll want to click on the Add Page button. This will start the process of creating a new page for your site. After clicking to add a page, you are given several options for the type of page you wish to create. In this case, we're focusing on creating a dynamic page, so select Blank Page. Blank pages provide a clean slate to work with, ideal for configuring your dynamic setup without any pre-existing design elements getting in the way.